Hello, travelers, riders, and CB350 enthusiasts. Welcome to the page Bird of Passage. Today is second day of our journey from Kalyani to Daringbadi, and we are leaving Bhubaneswar. Right now it's 7 am in the morning, and I have to say it's too much traffic. So we will be taking the Chennai Howrah Expressway. This is the shortest route to Daringbadi, and we will be taking the same. Here is a quick mileage review of the bike from yesterday's ride. The total ride was around 482 kilometers till the hotel, and the mileage we got was around 37 kilometers per liter. We just left the city area, and as soon as we did, the sight of hills came to our view. The road is great, the scenario is great, and the ride is awesome. We have been riding for more than 100 kilometers now, and we have to say that we have seen a number of hills go pass by us, and each time we felt like, yes, this is the one which we will go up on, but it has not been the same. That hill has been bypassed, and we are now going. I don't know that when we will get the hill experience now, but this road is also awesome. We are still not on elevated grounds. I am riding at a range of 70 to 80 kilometers per hour, and real time mileage is 37.5 kilometers per liter. The acceleration on the bike is also great. With more than 170 kilos weight, the bike is accelerating without any difficulty. I have to say, you need to check out for two things on the roads of Odisha. Number one is cattle. They can come from anywhere, they can be anywhere, and hence you should ride safely. And number two is milk tea. It is awesome. The number of places I waited for refreshment, I had tea, and I have to say, it's great. Finally, we are seeing some curved roads, and we felt little bit of elevation. We are at the base of the hill which we are going to go up on, and the air got a little bit chillier, and the feeling of excitement is high right now. Daringbadi is now 33 kilometers from this spot, and the forest area has started. This is actually the place which I saw on the internet and decided that we would come over here. Suddenly, few monkeys just crossed the road, and one of them hit Sandeep's bike. But I saw it cross the road and think it's all right. Monkeys over here is not unusual, but till now we had not seen anyone, and this was just out of nowhere. We are going uphill now, and the bike is running at third gear, and the mileage is around 23 kilometers per liter. Speed is maintained between 40 to 60 kilometers per hour. As of now, we have not experienced any steep climb. Let's see what is at the end. As of now, we have seen few hairpin bends. The elevation is increasing slightly, and the bike is running mostly at a speed of 20 to 30 kilometers per hour. The mileage we are getting is around 18 to 23 kilometers per liter. It is great. Sometimes we can go on third gear also, but with such weight we are traveling, I think it's comfortable with second gear to ride, and the torque is also great. We are not having any such difficulties with the uphill ride. We are around 7 kilometers from Daringbadi. We have already booked our accommodation at Nature Valley Eco Resort, and I think I have to stop my video now as I have drained my batteries. We are going to stay here for one day, so stay tuned for sightseeing at Daringbadi, and if you like the video, do like and subscribe. Stay till the end of the video to check on the resort in which we are going to stay. And one important announcement, as on date Airtel and Vodafone doesn't work here.